up, Monet gang, and welcome back to my channel. Now before you do anything else, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you get a notification each time I post. My videos on the way. So today's video is going to be a part of Vlogmas, and I'm going to be showing you how I make a Christmas sweater with my machine. All you're going to be needing is the sweater of your choice, some tearaway stabilizer. Of course, you're going to need some thread, some scissors, and then some adhesive spray. And then once you got your stabilizer on there, you can turn it back the correct way and add your hoop and add it onto the machine. So here's the design I'm going to be making. Once I hook my sweater up to the machine, I basically use these clips just to secure the extra fabric so it's not in the way and it doesn't get caught like in the machine. And yeah, I put my thread up there. If you want a more detailed video, I'll post a link down below because I already made one. But pretty much, once you're ready to start, you'll hit this button, you'll press it down in the back, the light will turn green, and you just press it and it goes. But once you're ready to change the color, you have to flip the little switch again. And then just change your thread. Okay, so the red is done now and all I have left is green. And I don't know, maybe I didn't look at the design good enough because even these letters, I'm kind of not feeling. Like, I don't know, maybe I have to wait till it's all the way finished, but I don't know. Okay, so all I'm about to do now is tear away the stabilizer. And then I'm gonna cut off the extra thread, like so the pieces like this. And then the tiny pieces of stabilizer, I'll get that later off camera. And then I'm basically about to do the same thing to the front, just get rid of the extra thread. And I always try to go over it with a lint roller just to get any of the extra thread and lint off. So this is the finished design. I like the design, but not the way it threaded out. But yeah, thanks for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, gang.